The Response Builder is a powerful tool for creating rich, multi-part responses within your workflows. It allows you to combine various elements like summaries, data tables, pipeline overviews, and top deals into a single, comprehensive output. This capability ensures your automated responses are not only informative but also visually engaging and easy to understand. This demonstration will guide you through the Response Builder, highlighting its core functionalities. We'll explore how to define the output destination, add various components, and utilize the 11 different component types available. This will enable you to construct dynamic and detailed responses for any workflow scenario. On the canvas, the Response Builder appears as a green node with a stack cards icon. This green color signifies that it's a node designed to produce a response back to the workflow's caller, whether that's a user in chat, an agent, or an API consumer. Simply drag it into your workflow, connect it after the nodes that generate your data, and then double-click to begin configuration. To configure the Response Builder, simply double-click the node on the canvas. Upon opening the Response Builder panel, you're presented with two key decisions. First, select the output destination, which dictates where the rendered response will be sent. Options include the chat interface, SSE output space for agent UIs, or an API response. Second, use the Add Component section to stack the individual pieces of your response, building it one component at a time. Clicking Add Component reveals a drop-down menu with a comprehensive catalog of available components. There are 11 distinct types, each represented by an icon and label corresponding to a different UI element. Once you select a component, a dedicated card appears in the panel below, allowing you to configure its specific properties independently. The order of these cards directly determines the order of the rendered response. The Response Builder offers 11 versatile component types to shape your answers. These include text markdown for rich text, SQL query for displaying highlighted queries, and data table for interactive tabular results. You can also choose between Chart Plotly and Chart Recharts for various visualizations, contact cards for visual contact lists, and activity timeline for chronological events. Additionally, there's Gesso Viewer for structured data, Alert Notice for banners, and Image for displaying generated or uploaded visuals. Each component you add functions as a configurable card, maintaining a consistent shape across types. The top row features the component's icon, label, and enable checkbox, and 4 control icons for reordering, advanced settings, and deletion. Below the header, you'll find property fields, such as content for text markdown, which accepts either a template variable or a static value. This pattern of variable or static input applies to every property field across all component types. The data table is a frequently used component, ideal for presenting tabular data. You simply point the data field to an upstream array, typically from a CRM manager search or custom analytics query. The table automatically renders with sortable headers and pagination. The columns field is optional. Leaving it blank displays all fields, while defining it controls order and labels. Pages sets the initial rows per page. For large datasets, the node intelligently catches over 200 rows, lazy loading them as the user navigates, ensuring smooth performance. Recharts is a popular choice for charts due to its clean aesthetic and support for 5 common chart types: bar, line, pie, area, and scatter. To configure, select the chart type, provide an array for the data field, and specify the X key and Y key for your access. You can also customize the color palette with a Gesso array of hex values. Recharts, being React Native, ensures fast rendering. For more specialized visualizations like heat maps, the Plotly component offers additional options. The image component seamlessly integrates with AI media nodes, allowing you to display generated or uploaded images. The images field accepts an array, typically the output from an image generation node, which includes URL, file name, and dimensions. These images render in the response with a lightbox for click-to-zoom functionality. If you have a single image and only its URL, you can use the URL field directly. This component simplifies creating visual outputs for AI workflows, eliminating the need for custom galleries. Let's explore what downstream nodes receive from the Response Builder. The Response Builder empowers you to create sophisticated, multi-part responses. It's driven by 2 top-level decisions, defining the output destination and stacking various components. With 11 distinct component types, it covers every possible shape of answer a workflow might need. Crucially, every property on each card accepts a template variable, allowing you to seamlessly integrate outputs from any upstream node without writing code.